In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change currency in Pandadoc. Changing the currency in Pandadoc is a workspace level setting. That means it can affect how money values appear across documents created in that workspace, especially when you use pricing tables or any fields that display totals. Before you begin, make sure you are logged into the correct workspace, since each workspace can have its own settings. To get started, look to the bottom left corner of the Pandadoc screen. You will see your profile icon there. Click on that profile icon to open the menu, and then select Settings. This takes you to the main area where you can control how your Pandadoc account and workspace behave. Once you are in Settings, look at the left sidebar, Find and click Workspace. This section is where Pandadoc stores shared options for your team, including business information and defaults that can influence new documents. Now, within the workspace settings, locate the option labeled Currency. You should see a drop-down menu next to it. Click the drop-down and choose the currency you prefer. Take a moment to confirm you are selecting the correct one, because this setting helps determine the currency symbol and formatting used in your documents. If you work with multiple regions, it is a good idea to match the currency to the one you most often use for billing or proposals in that workspace. After you have selected the currency you want, go to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This final step is important because the currency will not update unless you save. Give it a second to apply, and you should be all set. If you are not seeing the change reflected where you expect, double-check that you saved your changes and that you are working in the same workspace you updated. Also remember that some existing documents may keep their original settings depending on how they were created, while new documents typically follow the updated default. And that is all there is to it.